everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Galila. Today we're going to be talking about hair growth and specifically for curly hair since that's what I've been dealing with. The other week, like a few weeks ago actually, I posted a boomerang on my story showing how much my hair has grown. As you guys can also see, the black has like taken over my hair, and I got a lot of responses asking, like, what have you been doing to have this consistent hair growth? It's so crazy, especially since I recently chopped my hair and it's already grown like drastically since October. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna be talking about today. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Alrighty, so first I wanted to say that I am going to be coming back to YouTube and doing videos regularly. I am so excited. Meron will not be with us anymore. I don't know if I mentioned that in my last video or not. But I'm going to be doing curly hair content as well as lifestyle stuff and anything else that you guys are interested in seeing. But for today, we are here to talk about hair growth. And a lot of people were asking me on Instagram, like, oh my God, do you use a certain oil? Do you do a certain like step? Like, what's the magic behind it? And sorry to disappoint, there's not like one easy magic answer or one growth serum that I've been using that has given me the opportunity to have this much hair growth. So I'm gonna go through all the steps that I've been doing over the years that has allowed my hair to grow the way that it has, and you can apply it to your life as well. So I'm a huge fan of DIY masks, and my favorite DIY mask that I started using after I first colored my hair was just kind of like my go-to mask for everything. It was conditioning, it had protein in it, and it helped promote hair growth. So the hair growth qualities in my mask are aloe vera, coconut oil, and an egg. Okay, so let's go through those ingredients one by one so we can understand how it helps our hair grow. So with aloe vera, it has special enzymes in it called proteolytic. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right, so I'm going to put it up here so you guys can look it up. So basically, these enzymes help to break down dead skin cells that are blocking your hair follicles in your scalp. So once those are out of the way, your hair will have room to grow. It also helps to cleanse the scalp, and it's super moisturizing as well. So there's two ways that I usually use aloe. First and foremost, I buy the leaf, the full leaf, and I'll cut it up and I'll cut the gel into like smaller pieces and put it in my blender with the rest of my ingredients for my DIY mask. I also like to just cut up pieces of the leaf and massage the aloe gel into my scalp. And leave it on for about 30 minutes for both of those ways. And I've seen a real difference over the years. So with coconut oil, it contains fatty acids that will penetrate the hair shaft and reduce protein loss from your hair, which helps with your hair growth as well because you need protein for your hair to grow, or a certain amount at least. So I've used coconut oil alone, just like as an oil treatment, and then it also goes into my DIY protein treatment as well. So with eggs, it's really the egg yolk that's your savior here. It contains lecithin, which I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, so I'll write it up here as well, and protein that just helps to nourish your hair and strengthen your strands, especially if you have any damage, like heat damage, or you bleach your hair like I did. Another oil that you should be adding to your list is castor oil, and especially in a hot oil treatment form. Castor oil has so many ingredients that are amazing to promote healthy hair growth as well as keeping your hair healthy. Castor oil contains antibacterial and antifungus properties that will help combat any like scalp infections that you may have that's stopping hair growth from happening. It's also filled with fatty acids similar to the coconut oil. It has vitamin E properties as well that will help to keep your strands strong and healthy. You just have to massage that oil into your scalp and leave it in for like 30 minutes and you'll see wonders once you repeat this process. Alrighty, now this one might be something that you might not hear about all the time when people talk about healthy hair growth. But for me, these have been my saving graces, especially because I've actually suffered from stress-induced alopecia. So it happened to me once when I graduated college. I thought it was like a one-time thing, and then it happened to me again during the pandemic time. Obviously, we were all stressed during that time. So, and I get it in the same spot, which is like right here on my head. But basically, I lose all my hair, I go bald. And these two things are what save me every time, as well as castor oil. But onion juice and raw garlic. So I got alopecia this time around in the month of May, I believe. And I can kind of show you exactly where my new baby hair is. So it's grown about 4 inches or so since that time, and of course it takes a while for the hair even to start growing back, but the vitamins and minerals that are found in onion juice and raw garlic really helped speed up that process for me. And there's different ways that you can apply it. For me, I was specifically using this stuff for my alopecia. I would rub raw garlic on my bald spot and then also use onion juice, not together, but on separate occasions. And then I leave it for about 30 minutes and then wash it out. You can also blend up a bunch of garlic, mix it with oils if you don't want to like deal with the smell, especially same with the onion juice, and rub it into your scalp, and it helps promote hair growth. You would leave it in for about 30 minutes as well before you wash it out. So those are my holy grails for having constant healthy hair growth that I've been using for years now. So I hope you guys get to try it out, especially the onion juice and raw garlic, because my bald spot, I think the first time it started sprouting just a little bit of hair was late July, early August. So in about 6 to 7 months, I've already grown almost 5 inches. So I really want to see how it may affect you with your hair growth journey. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And I'm excited to make some more videos for you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.